Hello everybody, and welcome back to Rebellious Menstruation. I just picked this up and pulled it out of the packaging and realised it got a bit squished, obviously, in the mail. FYI, this is an unboxing of this. Unfortunately, obviously, it got a little crushed because it was just in one of those like postage bags, and you'd think that the box would save it, but it obviously not. Got a bit ripped up in the post. This is from Vagabeans. I did look at their website and it looks like it hasn't been updated since about 2019, which is kind of interesting. I was looking at coffee grinders. Obviously you can get a variety of coffee grinders around the place, but obviously sometimes I do a bit of hiking. I haven't done any in a while due to, you know, that which must not be named. So I really was quite possibly not looking for, or not possibly, I wasn't looking for an electric one or a plug-in one or one that required batteries. A rechargeable one could have worked. However, I just didn't need to take another battery powered item with me when I go hiking. So this is or should be a manual coffee grinder, and that with a, you know, ceramic burr to assist with the fine coarse to fine bean, and it's a hand crank one, and yeah, for all those reasons I just got a hand crank one because it doesn't involve batteries or recharging, and obviously being lightweight and portable, which are the two things that I needed. So let's open this. Hopefully it wasn't damaged with the crushing. Okay, let's have a look. There's other stuff in here. Okay, I think that's all that is in there that I can see. Okay, let's have a look. This is the how to use portion. Twist and remove lid with a gentle twist. Excessive force may damage the grinder. Of course, excessive force damages anything. Only a small gentle twist is required. Pour beans into top compartment and replace lid to avoid. Okay, so adjust grind level fine for espresso. I'm assuming those little like pod things that you can use instead of the disposable ones. Medium for an AeroPress, or pour over, and coarse for a French press. As you probably know if you've seen my what I eat for breakfast video, I think, that I filmed not long ago, it was I have a French press, which is like a double-walled steel one, so I can take that when I'm camping too. And then it gives you grind instructions. So 1 manual coffee grinder, 1 cleaning brush, 1 bag, regular clean 30 seconds, monthly clean 2 to 3 minutes, which is like a full take apart of cleaning. Okay, so this is the brush, unfortunately packaged in plastic, but I suppose that's the way of things now. Okay, that is the brush. It's very glossy and shiny. Okay, this is how the bag comes. Okay. That's it. So I pull this off. So this here, in case you didn't see it, is it folded up like that, and then when you need to grind you pull it out Okay. Okay. Ah, there we go, got it. That is where the coffee grinds will go. This in here is where apparently you adjust the grind. Who knows? I'm assuming this goes... Ah, there we go. Yay. Okay, so that's the inside of that. It's very hard to see because it is black. But that's where you put the beans. And then you would grind it up. Okay, so that is the Vagabeans manual coffee grinder, which is great. So now I can don't have to get fine coffee beans, because I think this is when I've gotten beans. There we go. I will obviously wash it before I use it. I did actually pick up these the other day from up the road. This is my closest coffee shop up the road, ironically enough, and these are Arabica beans, bold and cedary, so full-bodied, bold and cedary, light acidity. So I'm going to give these ones a go. This is from the 2021 anniversary blend edition, so I'm going to give these a go. I do have already ground coffee grounds in the freezer actually at the moment, but yes, so I did pick up this. Outside of that, this is my new Vagabeans coffee grinder. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your afternoon, morning, afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the day, and I of course will catch up with everyone in the next video. Bye everyone.